In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build your digital downloads shop in minutes with Hostinger website Builder AI Shop Tool 2025. We'll walk through how to navigate Hostinger's platform and add a digital product to your online store quickly and confidently. If you're new to Hostinger or just want a fast, reliable setup, this guide will keep things simple while explaining what each step means. Start by opening your preferred web browser and heading to the Hostinger website. Once the homepage loads, take a moment to get comfortable with the layout. You'll see a central dashboard. Think of this as your control center. It's where you'll manage your site, your store, and the key settings that keep everything running smoothly. Next, move to the website section and choose the option to edit your website. This takes you directly into the website editor. The editor is designed to be intuitive so you can make updates without needing any special design or coding experience. It's the place where all your customizations live, from layout changes to store configuration. Inside the editor, look to the menu on the left-hand side and click on Store. This is the e-commerce area where you'll manage your products, track orders, and handle the parts of your business that connect you with your customers. From here, find and select Add a Product. Hostinger will guide you with clear prompts so you always know what information is needed. If you're ever unsure, hover over any help icons or read the notes beside each field. These built-in tips are there to make the process easier. Because we're focusing on digital items, choose Digital Product. This is ideal for downloadable goods like ebooks, design templates, audio files, and similar resources your customers can access right after purchase. You'll be asked for product details such as the name, description, and price. Write a straightforward title and use the description to explain what the product is, who it's for, and what problem it solves. Keep it clear, avoid jargon, and highlight the benefits. Set a price that reflects the value and matches your market. Small details here go a long way in building trust and improving conversions. Before you wrap up, double check everything for accuracy. When it looks good, hit save. Your digital product is now officially part of your online store. And that's it. You've successfully navigated Hostinger's dashboard and added a digital product. Thanks for watching, and if this tutorial helped, be sure to check out our other videos for more tips on efficiently managing your online store.